G'day Year 7 and 8. I'm going to draw the little CAM exercise now. So create new. And remember, first up, just make sure we've got millimetres. It looks like we're going to have to change it each time, but that's all right. And I'll just put the precision as 0.0 this time. Okay, now we remove her. Now start with the rectangle. I might draw the side bit first. So I'll start with the bottom. It's going to be 70 and 10. So I'll put 70, 10, and then zoom extent so we can see it better size, and just orbit that around a little. Okay, now the height, that is going to be 150. So bring it up 150. Right, so there's that piece. Now, the two sides are going to be different, so what I'm going to do is find the centre of that first. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line from the middle. So I get the tool, snap onto the middle point, so it'll snap on the midpoint, and I'm going to draw a circle up 60. Sorry, a line up 60, and then I'm going to draw a circle there. And I want that to be radius 5. Okay, now I'm going to delete that and that. Then I'm going to make a copy of this. Now I haven't grouped it yet, but there's a reason for that. But I'm going to make a copy, so I'm going to copy that one now back. And remember, it's your move tool, and you just touch the option button as you move it. Now I'm going to get push-pull, and I'm going to push that one out through. Now I'm going to want it to go all the way through, so I'll touch the back edge. Whereas this one, I'm going to zoom a bit. I don't want it to go all the way through. I want it to go through halfway, so I want to type 5. Now I have got those two different pieces of timber, and see, one's got the hole all the way through it, and one goes halfway through it. So now I'm going to group them because they're finished now. So select it all, make a group, select that one, and make a group of that one as well. So now I've got my two sides done. Now the bottom. So rectangle, where is it? Let's try the circle, yep, rectangle. And I want it to be 100 and comma 70. I'm just going to check that measurement there. I think I've drawn that the wrong way around, not that it matters. Okay, I've got my 100 there, yep. So I might rotate that now, save having to move it later on. And sorry, I'm getting confused here. Right, that's it, better. There. And I'll just swing that around 90 degrees. And the timber is 10 millimeters thick, so I'll bring it up 10. There. And same as before, I'm going to make a copy of it now before I group it. So there. Now the bottom one is going to stay the same, so I can group that now. Make a group and orbit that around a little. And I'll just do it. There's a number of ways you can find the centre, but I'll go from midpoint across 50. That'll do me today. You could draw the diagonals in as well. There, circle, and once again radius 5, and then I will remove that. Make sure I get the right bit. That's it there, delete that. And this time I want the hole to go all the way through, so push pull, and then touch the bottom edge. That's fine. Swing it around there and make a group of that one. Now I'm going to put it together, so I'll just move it. I'll move that out of the way a little bit. I'll put this one into place first, so move, put it, and I take it from a point, and just remember, if you get that protractor comes up, that one there, be careful, that'll start to rotate it, and it's hard to get it back again. So ignore that, but I want to take it from that point and snap it onto that point. And then this one, move it from that outside point to that outside point. And this one, move it from, I want that bottom edge there to touch there. All right, so that's that part together. And you can see, yep, the circle's on the inside, that's all good. What I want, now there's one more point that I'm going to draw in this little, while I've got this video going. It's the piece in the middle, so I'm going to go rectangle. Actually, before I do that, I'll just measure what size it is. Now that should be, what is it, 80? Okay, so it's going to be 80 by 70. Okay, so rectangle. So that's got the little number first. Yep, so I want 70, 80 for this one. And then pull that up 35. And we're going to draw, that's going to have a hole through it as well. So come to the middle, back that way, it's going to be back 35. Draw the circle. Radius 5. Get rid of that and get rid of that. Push pull. And all the way through to the bottom. Make a group of that. Group, and then put it into place. So move tool from there and snap it into there. Okay, now that's as far as I will go for this one on this video. And I'll make another video that'll do all the extra little bits and pieces. But if you can get this far, that's a good start. Okay.